Looking for more privacy on Instagram? In this quick video, I'll show you hide your following list on Instagram. Follow each step carefully and you will understand the current option without any confusion or misleading information. Let's get started. First, swipe down on your home screen to open the app door, then use the search bar to find the Instagram app, tap to open it. After opening the Instagram, look at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon to open the profile page. In this page, look at the top right corner here, click on the 3 lines menu icon and wait to open it. After opening this menu, scroll down a little, find the account type and tools option, click on them. After that, go to the account type section at the top. If your account type is set to professional or business or creator, you can switch it to personal. To do that, simply hit the switch account type option. After that, tap to switch to personal account. Confirm by tapping again and wait to complete this process. This is very important. After that, return to the main settings in the Instagram, then scroll down a little, find the account privacy option, tap on it. Right now my account privacy set to public. Look for the private account option at the top, simply tap on the toggle, hit switch to private and wait to complete the process. And that's it, how you can easily hide your following list on Instagram. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video with another helpful guide. Bye, take care guys.